boys and girls. Today we're on lesson 124, so make sure you have your worksheet out. We are going to get started with our letter sounds. Still at home. It's still snowing outside. All right. Number 1, we have a. Write it down. Number 2, we have r. Number 3, we have m. Number 4, we have sh. That's sh. Number 5, we have th. That's th. Number 6, we have h. That's h. Number 7, we have g. That's g. Number 8, we have e. That's e. Number 9, we have th. That's th again, just a different one. And number 11, we have d, or number 10, d. D, or as a final sound, D, comma, E, D. All right, I'm going to hold these up. I know I went through them real fast, but I think they're pretty short and you can get them written down. And then I'm going to erase and we're going to move on to spell a couple of words before we get to our new digraph. All right, we are going to spell on number 11, wash. W. And then it's that after the W, the way W is a little bossy, that aw sound is an A. And then we have sh, our digraph sh. Number 12, we have our blend. Number 12, we have water. W. Again, that aw sound is an A, t, and then our ER combination, water. All right, make sure you get those two written down. And we're going to talk about our new digraph. We have and stew. We have chew, brew, stew. What are you seeing that's making that ooh sound? It's our EW, right? And that is a digraph EW. So it makes the same sound as the long U, ooh. And it also makes that O-O sound too, the ooh, O-O sound. So is this a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? We call it a vowel digraph, EW. All right, and we code it by underlining. And then if we were coding these words, we would underline our CH, but then otherwise they would be done for being coded. All right, let's look. First of all, our picture card for this would look, you might not be real sure what that is, but it's a cashew. Cashews are really yummy if you've never had them before. They're a nut, but they're a little sweet when you chew them up. They make like a good butter, like peanut butter. All right, we are also going to look at a new sight word. Our new sight word is though. So it doesn't really... Wait, I'm wrong. Forget that, scratch that. Our new sight word is through, but instead of spelling it with that EW, it's spelled O-U-G-H. So it's just a sight word. I'm going to erase that. Through. That's if you're saying like you went through something. There is also this through that is spelled EW. They're getting tricky on us, aren't they? There is this through like I threw a ball. This is through like I went through a tunnel. Tricky language, guys. Tricky. All right. Let's move on to our... All right. On number 13, we are going to spell the word new. So we have an N, and then U, or EW digraph. Number 14, few, again, F, and then U, or EW. Number 15 is grew, G, and then our U, EW. All right, make sure you have those written down, and then we're going to move on to code our words. All right, number 16, we're going to spell new. This is like I knew you, not new shoes, because it has that K in the beginning of it. We are going to underline our KN digraph, cross off the K, and underline our EW digraph. That's all we're doing on that one. Stew, all we're doing is underlining our EW. Number 17, curfew. This follows our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. We'll draw a line between our two consonants. Our C would also get a K back because it's making that K sound. And then we have our EW digraph, and we have our UR combination. Number 18, through. Here we have our EW digraph, and we also have our TH digraph. Number 19, we have, oops, did I mess up? Hold on. Oh, I wrote 16 twice. Silly Miss White. 18, that makes this 19, and then we're on 20. 20 is pews. Those are like what are in a church, the chairs you sit in. We're going to draw a box around our suffix S and underline our EW. All right, you are going to draw a line over to the picture that matches. Make sure you have these down. Pause if you need to. And then we're going to move on to our last section, 21. Drawn. Here we have our AW we underline, and that's all we're doing with that one. 22, student. We have student. Our E gets that schwa E on the top of it. Here we have vowel, consonant, vowel, so we're going to draw a line in between. And then our U gets a macron because it's open-ended. There's nothing after it because it's at the end of the consonant. Number 23, wrong. This is our WR digraph where then we cross off the W. And then we have our NG digraph, and our O gets a macron. Number 24, knocked. We are going to box off our ED suffix, underline our CK digraph and our KN digraph. This is a little tricky. Here we're knocking off the K. Here we're crossing off the C. And then our O gets a brev. And 25, fire. Here we just have a vowel, I, consonant, E pattern. We're going to cross off the E, put a macron on the I, and then you're going to draw your line over to the picture that matches. All right. On the back, you have, again, where you are picking out sentences to write. You're going to say what each thing in the picture is doing. I'd like you to try to get 4 sentences, or at least fill up all 4 lines. Alrighty, and then read your sight words just to get some practice. I'll see you guys next time.